Guys, on this video, I'll be talking about one of the best mid-range device this year. Yes, I know we are still in the second quarter of the year, and I'm talking about the best this year, but so far, I also love the features on this phone. And this is the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Okay, so let's call this the boss of all the Tecno Camon 40 series, or even the flagship of the 40 series, right? Looking at this phone, the build and every single thing, this feels like a flagship device, right? The design, the camera, every single thing. Okay, but instead of me just telling how amazing this phone is, let's just quickly go to the points. If this phone is really what you're getting this year, looking at the price point, looking at all the features and comparing it to some other phones around the same price range, if you should go for it. And guys, if you love what you're about to hear from this video, all you need to do is to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're a fan of gadget reviews, well, I think you're a fan of gadget reviews if you're watching the video currently. So all you need to do is to click on that subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon, because right on my channel, I create videos about everything your gadgets. Yes, so just subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification icon, so when I create those videos, more and more videos on your gadgets, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, let's get started with the unboxing of the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Right in the box, we have the charging brick, we have the USB-C charging cable, we have a soft transparent case, we have the SIM ejector tool and the usual paperwork. I really love what Tecno is doing, because even if you spend over 2 million naira to get your flagship devices, the iPhone, the Samsung and the rest of them, you only get the SIM ejector tool and your charging cable, and that is all. But look at what a mid-range device is doing on their own packing. Come on, I think it's high time we asked this our whole flagship device to always give us what we are paying for, because you can't charge us so much and we have to go start getting the charging brick outside, case outside, when I'm paying over 1 million naira for just a single phone. So it's a plus right here for the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Now to design and body build. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier is a head turner. Like, it features a curved glass back, a metal frame, and it feels premium in hand. At just 193 grams and 7.7 mm thickness, it strikes a great balance between being sleek and solid, right? Once you hold this phone, you know it's a premium phone. Come on, just look how wonderful the design is. But do you know the real deal of this design? This has IP68/69 water and dust light resistant. What does this mean? It means you can actually submerge your phone inside water and it is still safe. Now to the display, the Camon 40 Pro features a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixel. Guys, this is sharper than Full HD Plus, and with a 144Hz refresh rate, if you are scrolling or doing it on this phone, it feels way faster and way smoother. This has 1600 nits peak brightness, which means you won't even need to squint or just try to put your phone very close to your face when you are pressing it under direct sunlight. Now this phone is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, so you have solid scratch resistance. And even if your phone falls from like maybe you drop your phone mistakenly, no scratch, no dents, your phone is all good. So whether you're watching movies, you are playing games, the color accuracy, it is just amazing. I give Tecno a thumbs up for this again. Now to the performance, I really love this pack because this tells you what your phone can really do. The chip on the Tecno Camon 40 Premier is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, which is built on a 4nm architecture. This chipset on this mid-range device is one of the best on any smartphone this year. I had to make my research on the top 180 chipsets in the smartphone this year, and guess what number this came out at? This came out as number 19 out of 180. Like, look at how top it is. Now, the chipset on the Samsung Galaxy A56 was around 30 something, while this is 19, and it is rated A. Can you see it? Man, this is actually a very solid chipset. So this means if you're a pro gamer, this can handle all your gamings. Yes, this chipset with the 144Hz refresh rate and every other thing around this can just make you enjoy your gaming. And as long as you can handle your pro gamings, then your day-to-day tasks and every other thing, this can fully handle it. You have no issues when it comes to that aspect. This is paired with a 12 gig RAM and 256 gig UFS 4x storage. So this means you have fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and like I said, you're enjoying your gaming. So for the performance, for the chipsets, this is still a plus for the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Man, this really feels like a flagship device, I won't lie. Now for the AI and the software. So this came out with the Android 15 out of the box and also uses the Tecno's HiOS 15. Okay, and when it comes to the AI, this has Ella AI voice assistant, a removable flash snap button, which you can use to launch your camera, your flashlight, or even your Google Gemini with one press. And I think this is even better than that of the iPhone 16 series, where we have that camera button beside it, which just functions as only the camera button, right? And I'm not really sure anybody uses that. But let's just give people the benefit of doubt that they use it. But with this, you can use it, like I said, for your camera, your flashlight, Gemini, and lots more. Okay, so this is also a plus for the Tecno Camon 40 Premier. And now when it comes to the software, you have 3 more years worth of Android updates. So we have 15, that is 16, 17, 18. Now to the camera, what can this phone shoot? What can it take? This has triple rear camera and all of them are 50 MP. Yes, so we have the 50 MP main sensor with OIS, the 50 MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optimal zoom, and 50 MP ultra-wide lens with a 144-degree field of view. Also, the front camera is 50 MP. Like the whole 4 cameras on this phone are all 50 MPs. Now, let's forget about the whole MP. As you can see on the screen, this actually takes amazing, beautiful pictures. Like, guy, man, this is really clean. Like, I just love the pictures on this phone. Okay, even if it's night shots, day shots, this is just too clean. And when it comes to video, you can actually shoot videos in 4K 60 FPS using both your front and your back camera. I'm talking about the whole 4K and 60 FPS video. Here is a bummer on this phone. This has just the 256 gig variant and no SD card slot. So if you're shooting in 4K, it means you're going to have heavier files. And before you know it, your storage is filled up. And you now have to look for how best to manage your storage because you just 256 gig and there's no SD card slots. So I think that is a bummer on this phone where there's no SD card slots. Now for the battery and charging, so this makes use of 5100 mAh battery, right? And once it is fully charged, you can use this for about 11 to 12 hours non-stop. That is how strong this battery is. It supports 70 watt fast charging. This means you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% within 43 minutes. This is very fast. If you're a lover of wireless charging, then this does not have it. You can just look over at the Infinix Note 50 Pro or 50 Pro Plus, okay, where I will talk about that in my next video. Okay, so after watching this, go check out the other one, alright? On the Camon 40 Premier, you've got stereo speakers that deliver clean and decently loud audio. There is no headphone jack, but it supports 24 bits / 192 kHz high-res audio, and Bluetooth audio is solid. Now, for the connectivity wise, this supports 5G, Wi-Fi dual band, Bluetooth, NFC, infrared ports, FM redo. Now, the other features that this phone packs, like the in-display fingerprint sensor, which is very fast and accurate. We have the circle to search integration. We have the always on display. We have smooth haptics and a clean software skin with minimal bloatware. Honestly, this just feels like a flagship device packaged in a mid-range device price. Now, talking about the price, this will bring us to our final verdict. This is what, around 650 to 690,000 on slots. That's why I said the price, right? Okay, so is it worth it, spending almost 700,000 for this phone this year, or should you go for another one? If you have to ask me, honestly, I love all the features on this phone. The chip, the processor, you can play heavy games on this phone, right? You can take nice shots, the camera, the design, the body view. It is from the beginning to the end of this phone is all amazing, right? But will I go for it? I honestly don't know. I think I'm going to check out the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus. I'm going to compare it with the whole specs before I now know the one I'll go for. So if I think of getting this Tecno Camon 40 Premier, then I think you want to watch my next video where I compare this phone, yes, which is Camon 40 Premier versus the Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus Yes, but for the Samsung Galaxy A56. Now, these three phones are the best mid-range device so far. So I'm going to be comparing the three of them to now tell you the best among them. And once I bring out that best, I'll now tell you if I want to go for the best, or I'll just use that money to probably go for maybe an iPhone flagship device, or one of the S series, or probably a Google Pixel. Okay, so this is why you need to just give the video a thumbs up, and also click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that once I upload that video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you'll be going for this phone, or like I said, you just wait for my next video before you now make your final decision. All right, I will see you guys in the comment section. Okay.